Yo, it's your boy Theo. This is something I've been waiting for like forever. So as you guys know, I'm a huge Skullgirls fan. I'm like top fan over here. Love Skullgirls. Um, so they recently, well not recently, like I think late last year, earlier this year, they announced that they were gonna make a disc release for Skullgirls through limited run games, which they tend to do a lot of cases for games that either didn't get a physical release or whatever. These are for collectors mostly, so whatever. So I ordered it because I love the artwork, love the art style. So we're gonna do an unboxing, okay? All right, ready? All right, so here it is. This is a nice box actually. I just thought it would be like a generic envelope or whatever, but this is a nice little thing. It has the name of the company. I know it's like nothing like that's amazing, but whatever. So you open it. You have paper around it. Who cares about this? No one cares about this. Fuck this. Fuck this. Okay, give me what I want. Give me what I want, what I really want. The best. I got it. Oh, I see it. Ooh, baby, look at this. Oh, it's a sleeve too. Oh man, this is exciting. It's exciting. I'm hyped. I'm hyped already. You get that. You get the story mode. Ooh, son. About the sleeve. This is the big deal. The main attraction. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna open that just a bit. You get the sent these out to kind of make up for the delay. Little stuff here. I don't really know what those are. To be honest, I think it's like a whatever. I get. Ooh, look at that. This is nice. I like this. I like this cover a lot. And that's the alternate cover for this, which I'm gonna switch momentarily. Get another card. Oh, this is just a coupon, I think. Yeah, this is a coupon. No one cares. And I didn't even realize I got the soundtrack with it. That's insane. That's insane. I thought I was just gonna get the standard edition, but they gave me the soundtrack, which was really nice. Really nice. Does it have Oasis in Time? Has to have it. Yeah, it does. Good. That's a good track. Love that song. So that's all there is in this box. So I think this is like you can't pull that. Whatever. So there's that. Now hold on. I said I was gonna swap the cover because this is a better cover. Let's open it. That's what's inside the case. Yeah. Nice disc. Good disc art. And ooh. Thick ass manual. Remember when games used to give good manuals? Ooh, this is nice. Thank you. Oh, Kanuku, but good artist. Intro. Ooh, Liza's right there. Story. So get the nice command list as always, and they give you a nice little commentary on it, which is nice. I like that. Nice little addition. So there you go. See, where did I put the soundtrack there? Oh, is it on? Open. Well, the soundtrack. Alright, everyone. That's basically the unboxing of this great deal. See you guys next time. See you online if you play this game.